Bismillah. Two minutes. Hogbit birthday. So what is up everyone, and welcome to a brand new episode of Velocigear. This is Rahul back with another video, and in today's video I've got this Yamaha R1 with me. Let's give it some beans. Oh, this is too torquey. Man, this is just amazing. So my other friend is on MV Augusta. Let's wait for him for a second. Wow, now this is the time this bike grabs attention. Yep, Pasha is here with the MV Augusta. So first time I'm riding the 2011 edition R1, and it feels really smooth actually, but then the power delivery is extreme. Both are giving rev bombs. Come on F3. Oh, this has Akrapovic exhaust system. But yeah, thanks to my friend Mohit for letting me have a nice little ride on his bike. That's this bike is heating up. What the is he doing? What are you guys doing? Some rev bombing scenes happening over here. Where do I park it? Oh my god, this is heating up a lot. This is damn hot at the moment. So we have got another oven and a Benelli. Dude, what is this heat, duh? What is this heat?
Oh, heat, that is less bro, to be frank.
Shit. So yeah, that was a short spin in R1, and I'm really happy over here. So thank you for watching. If you guys have enjoyed this video, do hit the like and the subscribe button down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you with the next one. Peace.